Assalamu alaikum viewers. In today's video, we are going to make a very beautiful drawing, a hijabi girl. So let's begin. We will start our sketch from the scarf. Whenever you draw a scarf, always remember that a scarf has folds and layers. The folds of the scarf should flow naturally, just like in real life. After the scarf, we will move on to the shoulders. Shoulders are very important because they balance the whole sketch. Make sure they are not too sharp, keep them slightly curved so they look natural and elegant. Next comes the chest area, which is simple but neatness is very important here. Now it's time to draw the hands. Hands should always be sketched with soft lines so that they look natural and elegant. These little details make a drawing look more realistic and beautiful. After that, the most graceful part, the abaya. Here, I'll be using a pencil, and you should also keep your pencil light so that if there's any mistake, you can easily erase it. The abaya gives a very beautiful look, but it should be drawn carefully. We need to add multiple folds and layers because those flowing lines make the abaya look realistic and stylish. I'll try my best to draw it neatly so that it doesn't look odd from any angle. Let's draw the sandals. I want to keep them a little stylish so the drawing looks modern and attractive. I'll go for a slim and simple design here. Once our sketch is complete, we will outline it with a black marker. Outlining is very important because it makes every line clear and sharp. And then comes the most fun part, coloring. Now I have a small question for you. What is your favorite color? Please let me know in the comments because in my next drawing, I would love to use your favorite color too. Doesn't it look beautiful? Tell me in the comments, what do you think? And also suggest what I should draw in my next video. I'm thinking of filling the scarf with pink because pink always looks bright and pretty. For the abaya, I'll choose yellow since yellow is my favorite color. And for the sandals, I'll go with red because red will make them stand out and look more attractive. So friends, here is our final look, a hijabi girl with a pink scarf, a yellow abaya and stylish red sandals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you loved it, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming videos. I'll see you all in the next video with another creative drawing. Till then,